everyone, welcome back to Foodie Fetish. I am the lovely Drea, and today I will be showing you all how to make a pork tenderloin with, you guessed it, a crown apple glaze. Yes, I love alcohol, and so what's better to do than just to pair it with one of my favorite meats? So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is make a brine, and the way that I made my brine, I combined a half a cup of kosher salt with 8 cups of water, and then I just combined everything in a bag and refrigerated for about 12 hours. And the reason why you want to apply a brine to your meat, because it makes the meat very moist, so once you're done cooking it, it won't be dry. And like a lot of people, they tend to overcook their pork a lot, so doing a brine is perfect for keeping all that flavor and juiciness intact. After removing the pork tenderloin from the brining solution, you want to rinse it off with some water and then pat it dry. And now I'm just adding a few spices. I'm not adding any more salt because it's been in that brining solution for 12 hours. And so now I'm just going to add black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. Next, you're going to place the pork tenderloin in the oven uncovered. For the glaze, I added 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm about to add some garlic. Let that simmer for a little bit, cook the garlic down. I don't want the garlic to get too dark because you don't want to burn it. And then I'm going to add about like 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a little bit of salt, some pepper, and this is where the fun comes in. I'm about to add about like 3 tablespoons of Crown Royal apple, and that's where, you know, all the flavor is going to come from for this glaze. And then just stir it, let it bubble. It's going to start to thicken. You also want to add some Dijon mustard to it, about 2 tablespoons. And just stir everything up together. And so I'm just going to let that cook down for like another 2 minutes. I just need to do a little taste test. So let's see if it's to my standards. Ooh, that's so good. I cannot wait to put this on this meat. Like, I know this is really going to set that pork tenderloin off. That mustard, it really adds like a little bitterness that it cuts through, like the sweetness, to where this glaze is not too sweet at all. It's like, it's perfect. Okay, so after you take your pork tenderloin out the oven, you're going to see it still has some juice in it. So what you want to do is just drain that before you add the glaze to it. And so now I'm just going to add my glaze to it and then pop it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And just, you could be real generous with it. There's no such thing as too much. Okay, so our pork tenderloin is done, so I'm just going to remove it. I let it sit for like a good 5 minutes before I started cutting it. Let's see how tender it is. Oh yeah, that's done. This glaze is so perfect, y'all. It pretty much goes on anything you can think of, from chicken to shrimp to ribs. Yeah, it's a bomb-ass recipe. And just like that, we are done. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye-bye.